Large language models require massive amounts of memory, usually pushing them far beyond the capacity of the graphics card sitting in a standard home PC. If you try to run a standard 27 billion parameter model on a consumer graphics card with only 8 GB of VRAM, the system simply crashes. The math doesn't fit in the memory buffer. This task manager comparison shows the difference. On the left, a full precision 27B model completely overloads the system. But on the right, the compressed Bonsai 27B model runs smoothly on that exact same hardware, resting safely at 7.8 GB of VRAM. This setup allows you to run high-parameter models locally and offline, using the entry-level hardware you likely already have. To understand how a 27 billion parameter model fits into 8 GB, we have to look at the mechanics of ternary compression. This diagram illustrates the core mechanism. Instead of storing complex weights for every parameter, ternary quantization strips them to 3 distinct states: -1, 0, and 1. By doing this, the footprint drops to under 8 GB, retaining 95% of its intelligence. To set this up, go to the Bonsai Hugging Face repository. Open the Files and Versions tab, locate the 2-bit ternary GGUF model, and click Download. Notice it weighs in at just 7.2 GB. Acquiring this specific compressed file is the first step to bypassing standard hardware limits. Standard software processing tools cannot read this new 2-bit architecture. If you load it into a regular inference engine, it will immediately crash. We have to bypass this by cloning a custom fork of the llama repository, designed explicitly for quantization. Navigate to the GitHub page, click the green Code button, and copy the HTTPS link to clone the directory. When compiling this software, you must enable NVIDIA GPU acceleration. Forgetting the CUDA flag here will default your system to CPU processing, ruining performance. Open your terminal inside the cloned directory and type make ggml CUDA equals 1. Wait for the build log to reach 100% and verify the server binary exists. Now launch the local server. Set your contact window size to exactly 8192. Setting it any higher will cause a memory spillover. The terminal output confirms our max VRAM is contained at 7,820 megabytes. Next, open the OpenClaw application. Click Settings, select Local API from the dropdown, and enter the local server URL, 127.0.0.1, port 8080. Our custom architecture is now compiled. VRAM usage is strictly contained, and the engine is communicating with the front-end client. Before we give it complex tasks, we need to empirically test the model's raw generation speeds. This server terminal window displays the baseline metrics. It immediately achieves a prompt processing speed of over 3,000 tokens per second out of the box. This chat interface shows the model handling dense text logic. We paste a long-form video transcript and ask for a summary. It cleanly parses the data into a strict comparative format, producing a perfect markdown table. We can also test multimodal capabilities. We attach a product photo in the Hermes UI, and the model analyzes it, accurately identifying the components of this portable breast pump. For agentic workflows, if we ask it to search for GPU prices, it independently generates and executes a series of curl commands, scraping major retail websites to build a pricing table. This code editor shows its structural precision. When tasked with a massive 100 megabyte JSON-L file, the model successfully parses the highly rigid line-by-line syntax without breaking. The results across these tests demonstrate that this specific 2-bit compression is reliable for daily text, vision, and agentic workflows. To understand how to use this tool, we also have to establish exactly where the model's logic breaks down. We run it through the PI coding harness. This is a strenuous, multi-turn software engineering benchmark meant to break weak logic. We select Bonsai 27B as the target. When forced to write and revise a complex coding extension across multiple prompts, the model's reasoning fails to maintain the necessary logic. This benchmark table shows the functional trade-off of this compression. While uncompressed models score a perfect 100, the compressed Bonsai model falls to a score of 22, resulting in a failure. The boundary is clear. It is excellent at point-and-shoot tasks, but aggressive compression removes the memory required for complex software development. We successfully crammed 27 billion parameters into a standard 8 GB hardware envelope. This final scorecard tracks its utility. It reliably executes agentic automation, heavy data parsing, and operates with exceptional hardware efficiency. But the limitations are strict. Complex multi-turn coding simply cannot run on this architecture. By respecting those limits, this pipeline allows anyone to run high-parameter, private AI on the consumer hardware they already own.